Okay, let's see what we have here. On the package it says heatsink, but I'm not really sure what it is. Let's see. Oh, nice! I've been waiting for this. Well, these are 5 very nice and very cheap, of course, fans for GPUs. On some of my GPUs the fans are already done, don't work anymore, and I wanted some cheap fans to replace them, and I bought a few of these. I also ordered Huawei ones, but we'll see when they get here. But these ones are quite nice because I'll be able to just replace the ones that stopped working and keep the cards going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why did I order 5? Well, anyways, thank you very much guys for watching. Bye!